Why do we feel the need to take photos and videos of everything? Here's what I think. I think part of it has something to do with this fear of losing a memory.
But this one is in the shade Robin. I know medyo may patented to sa face.
May pinaghahandaan ng moment?
Baby, every day I wake up, I'm just trying to feel my feet, trying to wanna feel anything. Then I see you over there smiling, and it all comes back, it all comes back, it's rushing in. I've been trying to find my nerve endings. Won't you come on over later and waste my time? Is this what it looks like, honey? I'm getting used to never getting over this. Won't you be my Valentine? Not just for February, but maybe my whole life. 'Cause won't you be my Valentine? Have you got something to say now? 'Cause I've been holding my breath. I've got a bad habit of talking too much, and it usually ends in regret. But then I see you over there dancing, and it all slows down, it all slows down. I'm rushing in now, and I've been trying to find my nerve endings. Won't you come on over later and waste all of my precious time? Is this what it looks like, honey? I'm getting used to never getting over this. Won't you be my Valentine? Not just for February, but maybe my whole life.
I see the way we're going, caught in another lonely.
Painting ka niya. Wala, sulod.
might think that I've got it all figured out, but I'm as lost as you. Yeah, I try to work on all my problems, but I keep on falling down. I've been laying all night, waiting for your call, waiting for you coming running back to me again. I've been going crazy, looking at the photos, look back at the past, yeah, was it all a dream? It might be dark outside, but there's a sound behind the clouds, so just hold on a little longer. I promise things gonna be alright. I've been laying all night, waiting for your call, waiting for you coming running back to me again. I've been going crazy, looking at the photos, look back at the past, yeah, was it all a dream? Yeah, I've been going crazy, looking at the photos, look back at the past, yeah, was it